Horace has hiccups. This is the letter H. One line down, another line down, then a line in the middle joining them. Let's try again. One line down, another line down, then a line in the middle joining them. Horace is an H. When he's happy, he stands straight and firm. Every morning Horace puts on his hat and heads out of his house for a stroll. But today Horace has a horrible problem. He's got hiccups. Hic! Hic! Oh dear, Horace's hat flies off his head. A gust of wind blows it to the top of a house. Horace is not happy. Luckily, Horace's friends, Harriet and Henry, come by. "Help," says Horace. Harriet's got a plan. "If I stand on you and Henry stands on me, we'll make a ladder." So the ladder is made, Horace on the bottom, Harriet next, and Henry on the top. But Horace's hiccups keep making the ladder wobble. Hic! And Henry can't reach that at the top of the house. It's too high. Horace hiccups again and they all fall down. Then Henry has an idea. "I'll go to the bottom and you go to the top." So they all switch places, with Henry on the bottom, Harriet next, and Horace on the top. Almost there. Then Horace hiccups. Hic! He grabs the hat. Horace has his hat. Hooray! Horace is happy again. Before we go, let's practice the letter H again. One line down, another line down, then a line in the middle joining them. Bye-bye. Try another letter by visiting walphabet.com. I repeat, walphabet.com.